Attorney, I just wanted to get your thoughts on this also because Senator Lauren Legarda just extended her medical leave yet again. So I just wanted to get, what do you make of this? How will this affect her judgment when it comes to the impeachment trial? And let's go with Sir Ronald Llamas's assumption, or because we had him on the show also and he said na hindi na babalik yan. So,
Nagpustahan ba kayo? May pustahan nyo,
may
si
pustahan
Ronald.
nga tayo.
Meron daw siyang kabet.
So, with that, let's call that a hypothetical scenario. If that does happen, if she does not return by the time the impeachment trial ends, what happens?
Well, I would also first say na, di ba, klaro, flight is indication of guilt. So, doon muna tayo. Hindi ko naman sinasabi may guilty, pero di ba, basic yan. Flight is indication of guilt. Next, kung sasabihin natin na paano siya magde-decide, I think you recall, since the start of this impeachment, I have been advocating, although it's my opinion and opinion of some other people also who might be thinking on the same line as me, it should be those that are present and functional and those that are participating in the trial. No? So, paano magpa-participate, paano mag-judge ang somebody na sabi ko nga at that time, nakakulong? Paano mag-judge ang somebody na nagtatago sa ilalim ng bato? Paano mag-judge ang somebody na hindi ko alam kung medical leave o nag-asylum or whatever or hindi na bumalik? Kasi basically, voluntarily, hindi ka bumalik. So how can you even say na you can be judging? Kasi you have to remember, a non-vote is a vote for the acquittal.
Yes.
So even if you are not there, even not, by not voting, you are technically destroying the system of accountability because your non-vote is a vote for, kasi 16 eh. You get that. Oh, pero wala naman 16 sa ating constitution. Nakalagay doon 2/3 of all members. So my question there is, when it is all members, it should describe those that are functioning members. Because how can you have accountability? Kung bigla na lang umalis lahat yan, di ayaw na lang mag-participate, di wala na yung accountability natin. Right. Di ba? And I think naman, sabi ko nga, back in 1987, I think our framers did not think na mayroon 5-6 na makukulong o masususpend. Who would have thought? Back in 87, may pupunta sa ICC at magtatago sa ilalim ng bato, etc. etc.